Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change pay period in QuickBooks Online. So first, you may want to head over to your QuickBooks account and of course, make sure that you're logged in. And of course, make sure that you have the advanced payroll feature on your account. Once inside your dashboard in the left panel, head over and click on Employees. And from the Employees page, switch to Payroll Settings. Next, under Pay Run Settings, click on Pay Schedules. Now, from here, you can choose if you want to change it monthly or for weekly, or you can also add a new pay schedule. Click on it, and from here, just edit it to your desired pay schedule. Type in the pay period ending and date pay run will be paid. And once done, just click on the Done or Save or Create button. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again in the next one. Bye!